Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Do you like mining? Do you like gaming? Then this platform will combine both of them in one place. It will be Rollercoin, a platform where you can actually mine bitcoins through gaming or play to mine kind of concept. We will go through that in the next few minutes, but first of all, this video is only for educational purposes. It's not a financial advice, and as usual, everything is linked down below in the description, and let's get into it. So guys, here we are on the platform Rollercoin. What's it all about and what's going on here? Well, simply speaking, it's an online Bitcoin mining simulator. Sounds big and fancy? No, it isn't actually. It's the concept is way more simple than that, but it's very smart. As you can see here, once you scroll down, you will be welcomed with these metrics: next block size, distributed in, total pool size, and the last 24-hour reward. And then you have a look at total mined BTC. So what's going on here? Rollercoin in a nutshell. So let's go through what's the concept of this smart project. Rollercoin is an online virtual Bitcoin mining game where you compete against your friends to mine Bitcoins. Not only Bitcoins, they have a lot of coins to mine, but mainly Bitcoin, of course. It takes the concept of Bitcoin mining, but instead of sophisticated blockchain and processing algorithms and like using hardware, you can just test your skills and complete missions and do the game itself or play the game itself, and then you can build an empire and get rewarded with coins. So basically we have cut out the hard stuff and kept the amusement. Build and develop your own mining data center, make upgrades and tweak and boost your mining power and compete with other friends. And it's simply speaking that it's a play to mine game. It's a play to earn game, but in a mining kind of atmosphere. As you can see here, you will be finding some top miners. They are also ranking people in terms of how well they are playing and how well they are mining. Here you can have it on the upper right hand corner. Here you can find that the leaderboard over here is containing how people are mining and how many people are getting to the top. My internet connection is not really the best at the moment, but going back here, you will find that top miners are listed over here. How does it all work? Well, simply speaking here, how does it all work? It's quite simply you sign up and then you customize your character and then you start mining game and get block rewards, and then you build your Bitcoin empire. So sounds simple, but it has more work to be done, more than that. But generally speaking, it's a fun and amusing game to play. It's fun and amusing concept to take out of all the distractions and all complications within the game itself or within playing or mining the game itself, and just putting you in the right mood to start earning rewards from your mining without the complications of hardware and setting up and all that stuff. So okay, let's assume that you're hooked. Tell me more. As you can see here, real world obstacles. You will have to deal with some real stuff like following cryptocurrency rates, calculating which coin is more profitable to mine, and charging your mining machines. And here you might need to slow down a bit, and but that doesn't necessarily mean that you have to stop altogether. And here you can bring friends, and you can also compete with other friends. You can also earn rewards. We'll get to the reward section in a while, but here you can have some real benefits when you also bring friends, and you can start getting bonus for spreading the word. As you can see here, also there is mining real bitcoins. All of people have the misconception that whenever they are mining something online, it's not really Bitcoin and it's not going to be their Bitcoin. It has been around for years and years that you can actually rent out some hardware devices online on the cloud, and you can have the hash power. So here you can have it through playing. As you play, you will get rewarded, and you can actually get allocated blocks of on the blockchain for Bitcoin and other coins as well, and you can get chunks of rewards for each block and for each effort you're making. Here you can have building your mining facility, meaning that you can actually enhance and further develop your mining machines or your mining equipment, and you can increase your influence and play mining game and complete different tasks and carry out missions to level up and further improve your hardware for mines and your game skills as well. And this will in return give you some more advantages within the game and you will have more perks once you dive deep into the concept over here. As you can see, special events and prices here, they are constantly holding special contests and promoting the hard-working players or hard work in general for the game. And as you keep gaming and as you keep mining, you will have more and more rewards as you're going over here. So let's quickly have a look at the rewards. I told you about the rewards. Here they have the referral program. The referral program is quite well structured, and you can have some good percentages every single day. As you can see here, more than just a game, you can play and receive 25% from referrals profits, and you can have 15% from in-game purchases. So you can have it either way. It's a win-win situation. This can be better than mining real Bitcoin. I mean, it technically can, depending of course on the price and everything, but it's also your own due diligence to study the market and to have an overview of what's going on in the cryptocurrency space before you get heavy on something or before you rely completely on something. And as you can see here, the percentage is quite nice. Here they have a summary of what they can offer. They can offer you an instant payout without any fees from their side. Of course, there are some network fees, but it's not coming from their own side. It's coming from the network fee itself. They can give you up to 25% commission for bringing people, and it's a fast growing niche, and the community is just exponentially growing. It's growing like crazy, and detailed statistics so you can have an overview of what's going on. You can have the metrics needed for you to have better decisions, and you can further improve your mining skills, and you can further develop within the game itself. And they have cutting edge technology, of course, and privacy protection. That's quite important here for everything nowadays on the internet. You have to have some privacy, and here they are putting privacy as a priority for securing your account, for securing the whole structure for the game. So how to become a partner? If you wish to become a partner here, you can create an account, get a link or a banner, and then place it on your website or just send it out to friends, and then you can get profits once you get your friends to join such a concept or such a game and start mining on the platform. So here, that's a nice interesting concept on how you can actually gain or start mining Bitcoin in a completely different approach, in a completely different way than the traditional one of dealing with hardware, etc., etc. So it's a nice approach, and it's it's catching up somehow. I mean, people are gaining more attention here, getting more attention on such a concept, because it might be actually getting more amusement and removing all the boring parts of mining Bitcoin. So I would highly recommend you to check it down in the links down below in the description and get yourself more informed and get yourself more familiar with the whole concept, and then you will find that it actually makes sense for you, and sometimes it even makes sense more than actually mining or buying Bitcoin sometimes. I mean, depending on the market situation, of course, you might need to balance it out. Sometimes it's better to buy, sometimes it's better to mine, sometimes it's better just to hold and, you know, take some distance from the market. So you will need to have the understanding and the awareness of what's going on in the market, and then you can have some constructive decisions over the whole situation. So that was in a nutshell what's going on here with Rollercoin, and as I told you, things are down below in the description. Give it a go and see what's going on and decide on your own whether you want to jump in or probably do some more research and then decide. Also, something worth mentioning here, once you start signing up, you will have a bonus straight ahead. You can have up to $50 bonus, and you can use it within the game itself. I mean, you can have a lot of perks once you sign up, and it will open a door for opportunities for you within the game itself. And these are real rewards. You can just withdraw them, you can just use them, you can use them to improve your character, or you can improve your mining machines. So you can use this money to further improve within the game, and it's an instant reward. There is no referral, nothing, but you can have it as an instant reward for you, and of course plus the rewards of referring your friends or other members. And as you can see here, the game is kind of having a nice structure to further develop the mining strategy or the concept they are building over here. So it's quite interesting to see that things are quite well defined and well organized, such as so. And once you go to Twitter, you will find that their presence on Twitter is quite huge, actually 152.9, almost 100 153,000 followers on Twitter, and the community here is quite interactive. You can get in touch with people, you can understand more what's going on, and you can also ask questions. You can discuss with people. I mean, whatever comes to your head, never be shy to ask questions, never be shy to inform yourself more. And as I told you, everything is linked down below in the description, so you can feel free to check it out and then decide on your own what's going on. So guys, in a nutshell, we talked about Rollercoin, this interesting concept of combining playing and mining. So it's kind of a nice twist and unusual way of dealing with mining Bitcoin or all other altcoins as well. So as we discussed, this is a new concept in the market and it will be picking up in the next few weeks and months. So it's kind of attracting many people. So I would highly recommend you to check the link down below. And as usual, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button and leave any comment you might have in the comment section below, and see you next one. Bye-bye.